have compared the competition time. So why you not compare the competition time versus the security? Because that is the more emphasize you get. Because AES is maybe more secure. The competition time is more, but maybe more secure than your proposal will.
Sir, I have not only using OP, I combine OP with the AES.
Okay.
For that.
So and you have considered two different A and D is two different variables also.
Minimum maximum range within that range. First I have to select that range.
So we are really just wondering the completion time is reduced.
See, when you combine A and advanced propagation standard with OP, then obviously the combined speed is going to increase. But you explicitly shown them in the result.
Actually, I have taken the required time. Means when I submit the query and after submitting the query, how much time I will review the records of that.
Yeah, two-way verification. Two-way verification is okay. But we are really just wondering the combining of both, the completion time is less. Because AES is there and your OP is also there. OP is also there. So completion time is less.
In AES plus OP means combined. Only I have taken the year of publication column. On that only range query I have performed currently. For in AES applied technique, what we have to do, we have to decrypt all the data and then perform the query on that data. So it will require more time than OP. And in OP, what happens? You can directly apply that comparison operation on the encrypted data.
On the plain text.
But
on encrypted
you can compare both when you apply the same with same specification.